This is now match for bronze for Dumaguete City Meet 2025. Start of set number 1 with Koska serving first. Again, this is match for bronze for the Dumaguete City Meet 2025. First point goes to Koska. Service ace for Salamato. Koska serving again for the third time. Cadallo. Point for Cadallo. Hey, we have the Binkoy, player number 15, one of the veteran City Meet player. Free ball. You guys open. Galabay-labay. Pastilan. First deadlock of the ball game at 2-all. Binkoy still serving. And an ace for Binkoy. Change of lead. 3 serving 2. Free ball. Binigay kay Escotillon. Save. Oh, strong attack by Cadallo. Wow, a very nice serve. An ace. Another service ace for Binkoy. 6 serving 2. And force error in service. 3 serving 6 and control the seed. Free ball for Hunob, received by Cordivilla, and Corsame make a drop. Push by Salamato, pumasok. Binkoy sets and Cadallo. Ball did not go over. For serving 7. Force error in service. Good save, but there was no support. Free ball, so balik hindi pumasok. 9 serving 4. Service error. Salamato serving for Koska. So, binigay kay Corsame. Corsame tip. Nakuha. Wow. Overset. Nakuha ni Corsame. Koska called for their first time out. 6-point lead. 11 serving 5. Free ball. Set. That was inside. Binigay sa opposite. It was push and then controlled spike. And there's a court violation committed by Koska. They serve. It's now 14 serving 5. 9-point lead. Chance ball. There's a push. Oaks. Dribble again. Walang tao. Hingga sa gitna. Back attack by Cadalio. Hingga sa opposite. Nakuha ni Cadalio. Want to play by the setter. And a push. Go again. Free ball for Hunob. Receive by Escotillon. Corsami drops. He was blocked. She was blocked. 6 serving 15. Service ace for Salamato. And a second service ace for Cosca. It's 8 serving 15. Again, this is match for bronze. So, balik ayun. Yung post error. Push by Cosca. Binigay sa open. And point for Cosca. Push. It was defended. Overset. Binigay sa kita. Overset again. Control. Slowly creeping. So it's 10 serving 16. Binigay sa gitna. Nakuha. Free ball for Hunob. Dalio receive. Binigay sa opposite. Well defended. Subalit ito. Open. And there was a block by Cosca. Block point for Cosca. Serve. Open. That was outside. No ball check. On the 5. Outside. Attack by Cadalio. Timeout was called by Hunob. Free ball for Cosca. Open. There's a power dink. Nakuha. And a strong attack. Long rally. Cadalio. On the 5. And she made a point. 17. Serving 13. Check, nakuha. Back attack by Escotillon. Cosca attack, subalit nakuha. Ito, di pumasok ang atake ni Cadalio. Back to 3-point lead. It's 13 serving 17. What a nice serve. And it's an ace. Wow. Dalawa lang ang hinahabol. It's 15 serving 17. At eto na. Yung sa kabila rin. Masama ang shot sila sa bola. Linkoy to serve for Hunob High School. Pinigay sa open. Push by Salamato. Cadalio inside. According to the line judge. Back to 3-point lead. It's 18 serving 15. Hunob High School serving. Binkoy. Ganda ng serve. Binigay sa open. Salamato attacks. Nakuha. And there's a chance ball. Pinulog. Nakuha. Ball. Salamato. Wow. That was Salamato. 16 serving 19. Ball for Hunob. Koska. Subalit ayun. Masama ang receive. Masama rin ang kuha sa bola. 20 serving 16. Gold spike. Nag-over-receive. Nagpalikod Villa. So, balik ayun. Wala. 17 serving 20. Set number 1 of the match for bronze. Escotillion push the ball. Binigay sa kabila. Salamato. Attack again. But that was long. Cadallo. Error. 18 serving 21. Salamato serving for Koska. Binigay kay Kong. Good. Hindi na na-follow up. Ang is for Escotillion. Second and last time out for Koska. 23 serving 18. After that time out, free ball, received by Corsame. Free ball. Hindi sa gitna. Ball sa push. Back row attack by Cadallo. Attack fault by number 6 of Koska. Bringing the score to 24-18. Set point for the blue team is Hunob Jaguars. Back attack by Cadallo. Nakuha ni Salamato. Free ball for Hunob. Tingnan natin. Ibinigay kay Corsame. Well defended. And sa middle, and that was inside for Koska. Second chance set point for Hunob. And that's the end of set number 1. 25-19. Start of set 2 for the match for bronze for the Dumaguete City Meet 2025. This is between Koska and Hunob. First point goes to Koska. Binigay sa middle. Point. First time ko nakita yung middle ng tangkad. First deadlock at 1-all. Outside attack by Koska. Service ace. Bingkoy again serving for Hunob. Over receive. Another point for Hunob National High School. It's now 4 serving 1. Serve. Over receive again. Bigas opposite with Cotillion, but that was outside. Bingkoy still serving for Hunob. Ito. Over receive. Bigas open. Cadallo. And it was blocked. 2 serving 5. Escotillion. Cadallo this time. At yun, lakas. So player number 9. Ngayon pa lang siguro ito napasok. Hindi ko nakita kabang quite a tall player. Corsame. There's a tip. There's open kay Cadallo. Cadallo make an error. Corsame. That was in for Corsame. One gig. Corsame again. Uncontrolled. receive or dig. Si by the libero. Number 7, push the ball. Kong, receive by Salamato. Salamato attack, and she made the point for Koska. Nine serving 4. Escotillion serving. The opposite hitter of Hunob. Uncontrolled set. Point for Escotillion. Koska called for their first time out. Salamato. And there was a miscommunication between Korsame and Kong. Salamato again. That was inside for Salamato. 5 serving 10. Back row attack by Cadalio. It's a point for her. Korsame to serve. Middle player of Hunob. Player number 4. Ganda ng receive. Salamato. Wow. It's 6 serving 11. Open. Pasok. Nakuha. And there's a ball touch. Salamato serving again for Koska. 7 serving 11. Ibinigay sa gitna with Kong. Good. There's a push. Sa middle. Over receive. Free ball for Hunob. Kong. Oh! The still continue. Kong again this time. Nakuha. Good. Wow. Mas ng rally. Push by Cadalio. Wow. And Cadalio attacks, and that's a point for Cadalio. Cadalio now is in front with Kong serving. And an ace for Kong. Over receive. Oh. 4 touches daw according to referee. Free ball for Hunob. Want to play by the setter. Koska asked for the second and last time out. Kong still serving for Hunob, and ace for Kong, bringing the score to 16, serving 7. Excuse me.
Sorry, sir.
Go ahead. 17, serving 8. Want to play by the setter. Binigay kay Escotillion. Escotillion attack. Free ball for Hunob. Want to play again. And Cadalio. Good save by Koska. Free ball for Hunob. Binigay sa opposite. And outside attack by Escotillion. 9 serving 17. Escotillion, Demeretso. Middle set, nakuha. Escotillion set for Cadalio. Player 9. Player number 9. Hunob was able to make that black point. Kalahati ang score natin, it's 18, serving 9. Receive by the libero. There's a drop. Escotillon or Cadallo. And it's a point. 19 serving 9. Escotillon puts. Ayan, ibinigay sa gitna. Cadallo inside.
Ako na dito.
Receive by Salamato, ibinigay sa gitna. There's a push. Oh, good save by Escotillon. And number 7, hindi pumasok. After this game will be the match for gold between Foundation and City High. Outside attack by number 5. It's 22 serving 9. Napakalayo na. Diniretso ni Salamato. Ibinigay sa lefty. At natin. Sa gitna. So nag-i-enjoy ng Hunog. Hunog is not enjoying the game. It's 23 serving 9. An ace for player number 9. Match point. Match point for gold. Hindi sa gitna. So to see kung matatapos ba Cadallo. And the game is over. So Hunog got the bronze for the City Meet, Dumaguete City Meet 2020.